Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 1. Hope you all will be fine. Welcome back to your online video class of computer. Dear student, during the physical classes, I have provided you a computer worksheet, and today we are going to work on computer worksheet. So let's start our today class. Open your computer worksheet and let's start. Dear student, here is your computer worksheet. Okay, let's start our today work. Dear student, come to the question number 13. The question number 13 is write abbreviations of the following. Number 1 PC, number 2 CD, number 3 CPU, number 4 USB. Student, here is 4 abbreviations. We write the abbreviations of the following. Okay, let's start. First we write abbreviation of PC. PC stand for personal computer. P जो है हमने कैपिटल लिखना है, उसके बाद जो लेटर्स हैं वो हमने स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट में लिखने हैं. PERSONAL personal and C for computer. COMPUTER computer. PC stand for personal computer. नंबर 2 CD का फुल फॉर्म, CD का एब्रीविएशन क्या होगा डियर स्टूडेंट्स? CD कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क. COMPACT कॉम्पैक्ट DISK डिस्क. CD फुल फॉर्म कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क. नंबर 3 इज CPU. CPU stand for C for central, P for processing, U for unit. Okay, CPU central processing unit. Number 4 is USB का फुल फॉर्म क्या है डियर स्टूडेंट? यूनिवर्सल सीरियल बस. ओके, टुडे आवर क्लास इज ended here. Now it's time to your homework, and today your homework is turn on the first page. Dear student, today your homework is memo question 1 and question 2 with spellings. Okay, question number 1 is what is computer? Answer: a computer is an electronic machine. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2, how many parts of computer are there? Answer: there are 4 parts of computer. Number 1 keyboard, number 2 monitor, number 3 mouse, and number 4 CPU or system unit. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.